Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today in this video, we will open box, install and review bar stools. As you can see, I have a 2 in this video already. I bought 4. I have a 2 more to install. We will install in a video. And we will talk about everything you need to know before you buy. Because when I was trying to look for, I have a lot of confusion. What size, what kind of material I'm buying, and if it's gonna be fit on my counter or not. As you can see, I tested everything. Now we're ready to talk about it. So let's talk about first about the price. I have a set of 2 chair about $109. So whole 2 set 4 chair I got for $237. Bed, tax and everything. Shipping free. If you buy $35 or above from Amazon, they give you free shipping option. So I bought for $237 and as shipping free, it came in 4 or 5 days. And as you can see, the bottom material is stainless steel, top is leather. I bought cream color. This color is really like hard to find. You can buy a little bit more cheaper probably, different color. But cream color is really like not that many options you have it. So that's you have to keep in mind. If you buying different color, probably you can get the cheaper or like a quick, but it took me a couple days to search and find the same color I need for my needs. And as you can see, have a stainless steel on the bottom, leather on the top. There's no arm, armless, and a swivel all around. So now we will go to the dimension and everything. But my meter, I'm gonna put my camera a little bit closer, and we will check everything. And I will also show what size my counter. So now let's measure my counter first. If we measure from the floor, my counter, the under portion is like about 34 inch. And the top is 35 and a half. So from here is 34 inch. And this chair fit perfectly if I sit on it, and it perfectly without extended. This chair is not extended. This stool not extended, is all the way down. So now we're gonna measure before extended. Before extended, the top portion is 24 inch. After extended, it's go to 32 inch. And the bottom feet is round, but it's like 16 inch. 16 inch stainless steel. There's you can put your foot, like little bit step thing on it, and lever on the right hand side. If you pick the lever, it will extend to 32 inch. So now both are fully opened. Let's check. So they both are 32 inch. Now let's talk about the seat. Seat like this way is 16 inch. This way is 15 inch. And the back high is 13 inch. And wide is same like a 15 inch. So maximum weight capacity is 250 pounds. This is 250 pounds is max. And I believe that's a lot of weight. Nobody have that much weight around my family, so I'll be okay. So now we have a talk about all about the chair. If you like to buy or something, now I showed you what I get inside the box and how you put together. It's really easy. It's not that hard. It's gonna take you maybe like 10-15 minutes to put each chair together. Couple things, you just snap in, and there's only 4 screws you have to work. And it comes with all the tools you need and everything you need to know. Also, it comes with the instruction manual. As you can see, I have this one. And I basically didn't use it. It's really simple. So now let's open box and see what you get inside the box and how you put together. Those bar stools comes in this box. You just need to make sure, it also say do not use blade to open. When you try to open this one, do not use any knife or blade, just open carefully because there's a leather seats inside. You can damage those. So you can see they all like snuggy fit inside. They're really the way they're packaged. To open, you're gonna first take those 2 things out. That's the foot. I'm gonna put it on the side right now. Then those feet where the foot goes and adjustable, they're gonna go in. There are also 2 inputs, each one on side. You have 2 pistons, 2 seats, and And this one, the bottom little cone thing and screws inside. And except in box, nothing. I will put one together in this video. And in this bag, it comes a couple of parts. Little trim goes on the bottom to hide those external opening, and 2 sets of screws and this Allen key. That's all we need. First, we can just open this one and cylinder. It will just go here, or snap in. We need this one here, this cone. Just snap in, it's locked, that's all. We're gonna take this top off and the seat goes on the top. But before we put seat on the top, we have to install this one with our seat. You open this side. This side have a 4 holes for the screws, and also have an arrow here the way you're gonna go. So on the seat, the black part is the bottom, and you will see there's a 4 screw holes. Simply, we're gonna keep arrow on the front, and we're gonna put those 4 screws. No washer, nothing. And now we're going to tighten that. The tool it comes with just 1 Allen wrench. So our chair is ready. Just simply we're going to keep this thing. We're going to take this top off, and we're going to place this chair on top. Either way, this doesn't matter. You can place either side. The little lock thing, it will lock automatically. That's all. Our chair is done. We finished one. So this chair is done already. You can check if all the pistons work, and also make sure nothing damaged. If everything looks okay, we're going to take this bubble wrap off and be ready to enjoy our bar stool. So the following is the same steps. I'm going to install the other one, then we prepare all 4 together and see how they look. Now all 4 bar stools are ready. As you can see, we have installed and we put it together. They're sitting here. They look really nice and matching with my counter and my backsplash. My family really like it. So hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.